started working on the painting of Eloise.
What are you painting, Noel? Just the girl I met. Ah, new girlfriend, eh? Sounds like a dig at your grandpa. Oh, Grandpa, knock it off.
Just then, Babette Callahan came by to visit.